Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends, and welcome to another review video on this channel. And today we are going to review a product called Advanced Video Studio, and this product is going to be launched on 12th of June, I think. And this is a video editing software. So let me remind you again that we are not recommending or reviewing any make money online softwares, because those websites and software which claims that you follow their video training and you follow the steps and you will make money, they are scam people. They're scam websites on Warrior Plus and on every other site. So do not fall for their say crap or whatever. So do not fall for that, because you will not make any money, or nobody will make any money if you try to purchase those subscription sites, right? Because they are launching their products only so that they can find some victims like you, and so that they can make some money. So on Warrior Plus, they sell those products as vendors, and that's how, if some of the copies are sold by affiliates, then that's how they make money. So in this series we are only reviewing products which has got nothing to do with make money online. And in this case, this product is called Advanced Video Studio, and this actually is a video editing software, and this is going to help you to make attractive and stunning videos, especially if you are creating any sales videos or any videos for your clients. So you can definitely use this software. So we'll go into the details one by one now. And at the top, at the you can see the heading here. It says that create ultra engaging cinematic and futuristic videos that will all your viewers have never been this easy. So this is the sales video. You can look into the sales video in your free time. I'll leave the link in the description of the sales page. And then let's go through the bullet points here and what is this all about, because it says all-in-one studio utilizing industry-leading video software. Let's go through the bullet points, how this works. I'm trying to find their 3 steps or 4 steps. So first of all, this is only a one-time fee. There's no recurring fees, and it's unlimited. So there's no number of, there's no restriction on number of videos you can create or make using this software. And it also says agency license is included, which means that you can buy this software and you can use it to sell out videos which you will create using this particular software. So it's not like you can't sell out those videos to somebody. Some software has restrictions that you can only use it for personal use. You cannot sell, you cannot sell those videos, but this one does not have any such restrictions. And then here we have these 4 steps. So number 1 is they have some default templates. So it says that you can pick the video style you want. And then number 2 is drop your own media inside to replace those videos or images. So let's say you choose one of the templates. Now what you can do is you can change those images into that video from your own images, right, which you have on your computer. And number 3 is customize the text to your liking. So you can change the text, you can change fonts, change colors. Everything is customizable in the dashboard, inside the software. And number 4 is export to full HD or 4K resolution. So number 4 is very important, because let's say if you try to shoot the videos from your own camera, and if you are not using hi-fi smartphones, so if you not have any good camera, so you will not be able to shoot out like 4K videos. So this software is good because it has the inbuilt or pre-installed videos, and then you can export them into 4K videos. 4K means neat and very high and neat quality of the videos. We'll see some samples below. And let's say it says create videos like this. So here we are going to play some videos so that you can take a look. How do they seem? It's playing now. So this is one of the videos, hyper speed presents. We are just going to forward them, or you can just see here. So I'm shooting the video from camera, so you will not see the 4K resolution. So what you need to do is click on the link in the description below, and then check the video directly on their website in full 4K, so that you can get a better idea how this software is going to export and create those videos for you. So this is one video. Similarly, you have a lot of videos on their sales page. All you need to do is just go through all the videos and play some of them. So let's say we play this one, which says travel vlog, and this looks quite colorful. This must be very attractive. So here you can see they are using the I think I have seen this picture. This is from Pexel. So this lady is on the Pexel website, from where you can get stock free images and videos. And this is again nature videos. So this is how they are actually making 4K videos. And let's go further down to find out what all benefits or what all other features they have. So it says advanced revolution videos. The world is on revolution, and these themed revolution videos are the perfect futuristic videos for that. And these are highly versatile, fully customizable videos, and you can use them to create unlimited videos in any niche. Okay, so just drag and drop. So again, this is good if you are selling out videos on Fiverr, on some other website. If you're a freelancer and your clients are demanding, or they're asking you to make explainer videos or presentation videos, or any sales page videos, so you can use this software to make such videos and then sell it out to your clients on any platform, Fiverr, Freelancer or Upwork, wherever, and then you can use it for lifetime. So it's only a one-time price, and then you can you can even resell this software if you get an agency license. There will be some upgrades inside, and definitely this is worth your investment. This is worth your money. And what I'll do is I'll leave the link of this particular software in the description below. If you're watching the video right now, and if it is before 12th June, this product is not launched, which means that you'll have to wait until 12th of June 2021 to grab this copy. And I will just go ahead and put the link in the description below, and let's go through their main terms as well. First of all, the refund policy. So they say yes, you can actually get a refund in case you are not happy with the software. And how will you receive the order is so they're saying after your order has been placed, you will receive an email with your login instructions, and it will be sent to your email address automatically. So nothing to worry, you will get all the instructions in your email account. And then it says, do I need any specific software with any advanced video studio? So advanced video studio is a complete studio that is included with everything for you to get started. It utilizes powerful hit film express video software, which is available 100% free for you to use, plus library of fully customizable advanced video templates that you can use to create unlimited different types of videos. So HitFilm Express works with Windows or Mac. So this software is going to work with your Windows 10 and Mac, obviously. And then it says, where can I get help? So if you require any support with our product, please contact us through our online help desk. So they have this online help desk here. It means that you can contact them if you are not able to operate your software or install it, or if you have any kind of other problems. So I think this is good to go here. And what you can do is you can check out the software, and you grab your copy. Click on the link in the description below. And thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe to our channel. We'll be back with you with another review video shortly. Stay connected.